Today we're looking at the bucket level indicator, which is this rod right here. It attaches to the bracket that your attachments like your loader, your forks, pallet forks and so forth attached to. And what this does, it allows you to set this bucket to be perfectly level on the ground without ever having to look at the bucket itself. And all it does, a lot of these attachments are, some of them are a little bit different. Some of them have a tube right here and a solid rod that runs up through here. And when the solid rod is even with the end of the tube, your bucket is perfectly level. This one right here, that like on this machine, it's got a slightly angled piece right here, and right where this bend is, it sets in this ring, the bottom of the ring. And when I know that this this bend right here sits in this ring, I know my bucket's perfectly level. I can be 6 feet up in the air and have my bucket perfectly level, lower it down to the ground, and it'll be perfect every single time. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. It's very, very simple. If you don't have this, you can get aftermarket ones anywhere from $28 to about $150 or more. And they basically all do the same thing. So just shop around, figure out what fits your budget. These are ideal. A lot of people, they're on the tractors, they don't have any idea what they do, but it is a bucket level indicator, which helps you set this bucket to be perfectly level when it comes down on the ground. And I'm going to demonstrate it here real quick for you. Now, if you look at that rod right where the bend is, I'm going to take it out of position, and you can clearly see the angle right there where it's bent. Like I said, you bring that back, it'll sit right into that little eyelet, and right there it's perfect. So we're going to go down to the ground, going to move forward. Pick up our load. I'm going to raise this a little bit higher than what I normally would raise it to travel, just to show what this rod does. We're going to come forward, we're going to dump our load. Okay. See, we're totally out of position with our bucket. Going to bring it back in. Set it right there. Come back down to the ground. Perfectly level. Bring it back while we're moving. Drop our bucket, go in for a scoop, perfectly level. Bring it back. Now you can see how easy this makes this. I'm not looking at the bucket. I'm not having to lean way around the tractor to try to find out where the bucket's positioned. I know by looking right there on my right hand side, I know my bucket's perfectly flat. Go in, touch the ground. Bring it up. And dump it. This allows me to get a perfect bucket every single time.